We've seen it in the movies before, like in Back to the Future. Marty McFly goes back in time, but his presence begins to alter the course of history. So he has to get his parents together, so that he, ever exists in the first place. But wait a minute, if he didn't exist, he couldn't have gone back in time, meaning his presence couldn't have changed history and… It's called a time travel paradox, and while no one has ever traveled through time, it's something scientists have been trying to solve for ages, and now one thinks they may have. Jermaine Tobar, a physics student from the University of Queensland in Australia, says it's all about Einstein's theory of relativity, which he suggests allow for space-time itself to adapt and avoid paradoxes. Tobar said about his calculations, quote, "Einstein's theory of general relativity predicts the existence of time loops or time travel, where an event can be both in the past and future of itself, theoretically turning the study of dynamics on its head," which he says means that if something in the past were changed, it might simply right itself. Like if you went back in time to stop a bomb from exploding. This theory suggests that the bomb will still go off, just perhaps differently. It involves dense mathematics that make my head hurt, but it's also the stuff of science fiction.